low gear. That's an 1.5 inch shell mill. Taking about a 1/16 of an inch off. Machine is stuck in low gear right now. HAAS technician said it might need a repair, but the worst case scenario is it needs a new transmission. He quoted from the hip about $3,000 for trans and installation. As you can see, we're still running the machine, although we can't go any faster than 1200 RPM, because then it tries to go into high gear, and then it can't do that. Little chamfer mill, running kind of conservative. Spindle sounded good when it was up 7,000 RPM. Fourth axis works, although the rotary does not come with the machine. The 5C rotary does not. Other than a trans problem, the machine has been running for me for 22 years. Original owner. That's it. Any questions, give me a call or an email.